Traders, truth to be told, there is a problem. There is a problem. You see, XRP, where you're actually seeing the chart right now, if you actually fast, you will have noticed that this thing stands for not other than this. Heads and shoulders and their reversals to the downside, which is a bearish pattern. That shows that a possibility is there that XRP is going to tank to the downside. But this tank can't happen when XRP is the only one that is tanking. It means the entire market is going to tank. That's the reality of such a structure. So I think it is time to be aware. It's time to be aware of what is actually going to happen next. I don't know what's coming, but it might be something that is scary. Such a pattern, remember this pattern is actually forming at the 4-hour time frame. It has taken its time to form. Do not think that this pattern is just going to stop around these lows here. No, such patterns actually do extend to the downside. There are always deep patterns. Now, those of you who are in XRP and other cryptocurrencies, just know the market is going to tank. That is the reality. But let me first remove this tool here and we also analyze some other perspectives other than relying on that single pattern alone. Now, heading to the daily time frame, we are looking at something that do look like this. This thing that do look like this, I can try to actually put in the support and resistance lines to see whether they also actually articulate the same thing downside, and they are also actually doing the same, and the best line of fit actually lies around here. So you can see how the line was tested right here with this kind of abandoned baby candlestick, and then you can see how we have rejected off this line 2 times on the daily time frame. That's a daily support, so that daily resistance. Do not think that price is going to just move a little bit when it is actually going away from the daily resistance. That's a move to the downside that is super bearish. I can say that even it is actually still possible to see a 0.5 dollar XRP. I'm telling you this. And looking at this here, you can also agree that it has been a correction. Using a little bit of Elliott waves, we can all agree that this pattern that has been created right here is simply an ABCD. It's simply an ABCD pattern. Let me see if I can actually label that. This one here, it is A to the upside, B a pullback, and C to the upside, which is an ABCD move. It's a continuation to the downside. This is not a joke. It was as if they broke out of this resistance right here with these candlesticks, and then they are just retesting this zone with this upper wick, and now they are actually starting to pull price to move away from the charts. You understand? So we must be aware, at least. Something that is coming is not simple.